Hi, my talented chefs. Welcome to Recipe Specialty, where we show you how to make a variety of dishes from eggs to eggceptional. In this video, I'm going to steam some clams. What I used to prepare this dish is a couple dozen little neck clams, a beer to steam them with, but you can use water, cider, juice, wine, really any liquid that'll produce steam, and I used parsley for some garnish. With that said, let's start cooking. Give your clams a good rinse with water, and then dig out a pot that's big enough to hold all of them, plus the liquid. Here I'm using a generic beer. Pour that in. You could use any liquid of your choosing. Water is sufficient. People like to choose something with flavor, like a cider. I don't really know anybody that uses hard liquor, but that's an option. Pour in the clams. Try to mix them around so that they're evenly distributed. Put on the lid, and then what you're going to do is basically heat it at medium, low, and let them steam until they start opening with the lid on top. After a few short minutes, you can open it, check on them. Any clams that have opened up are done, like this one. Feel free, take them out, set them aside. Any clams that have still yet to open might need a couple more minutes. So once you're done taking out all the clams that have opened, return the lid to the pot and give them a couple more minutes. Once all the clams have opened up, remove them aside into a bowl or a plate, but make sure you're only pulling out the clams that have opened. Any clams that are unopened are not good. If they don't open up on their own with the steam, there's something wrong with them. Toss those aside. You do not want to get seafood poisoning on clams. Trust a brother. Once you've got them all in a bowl, feel free to add some parsley. I prefer fresh parsley, but I didn't have any on hand, so dried parsley is good enough. You could use Italian seasoning. You could use no seasoning. You could use salt and pepper. It's up to you. This is your meal. Make it however you feel. If you all like this video, do me a huge favor, hit that like button, subscribe, check out the website. Ultimately, let's eat!